Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Max Wax Pen. First, make sure your new device is fully charged for optimal performance. This usually takes about 1 hour using the included USB charger. Once charged, gently twist the mouthpiece counterclockwise to open the heating chamber. Using the provided dab tool, carefully place a small, rice grain-sized amount of your chosen concentrate directly onto the ceramic coil. Be careful not to overfill the chamber. To activate your Max Wax Pen, simply press the power button 5 times in quick succession. The LED light will flash to confirm. For an even smoother experience, you can engage the preheat function by pressing the button twice rapidly. This gently warms the concentrate for about 10 seconds, preparing it for vaporization. To adjust your temperature, press the button 3 times quickly to cycle through the 3 distinct settings, indicated by different LED colors. When you are ready to use your pen, press and hold the power button while taking a slow, steady draw from the mouthpiece. Aim for an inhalation lasting between 3 and 5 seconds to ensure proper vaporization. Pay attention to the vapor density and the flavor. This will help you find your preferred drawing technique. Release the button when your draw is complete and allow the device to cool for about 30 seconds between sessions. To ensure your Max Wax Pen continues to perform its best, regular cleaning is essential. After each session, allow the device to cool, then gently wipe the heating chamber with a cotton swab lightly dampened with 91% isopropyl alcohol. If you encounter issues like no vapor production, first ensure the battery is charged and all components are securely fastened. A full charge often resolves most performance concerns and keeps your pen ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.